Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you a quick overview of invoicing in 3PLIFY. As we continue to develop our program here, we're trying to bring everything under one roof so you don't have to go through different programs and different sheets and Excel sheets and QuickBooks payment links and whatnot to view your data, pay your invoices, view the orders on the invoices. We're putting everything under one roof. On one page, you can easily and visibly see everything, reference back to the orders with hyperlinks, and so on. So from your main page when you log in, it will look something like this. There may be dashboards added in the future, and obviously as we continue to build the software, more functionality will be built out and put on your pages. For the sake of this video, we're going to go to the Accounting tab and hit Accounting. Once you're under your Accounting tab, you'll be able to see your current payment methods that you have on file with us. You can add and delete as needed. You'll see your current balance that you have with us. You'll see any credit card processing fees here, and you'll see all your invoices open and paid in this list. From this page, you can add payment methods, credit card or ACH. You can delete payment methods if they're no longer active. You can add funds to either pay your balance down or add additional funds towards your account. If you overpay, there'll be a balance with us that will depreciate as we ship orders against that balance. And then you have all your invoices here, and we're going to select this invoice right here. The invoice here has a time period, May 1st through May 31st, and this is actually all the orders shipped with their billing between May 1st and May 31st. From here, once we click into the invoice, once it loads up, you'll see a total, you'll see the balance due, you'll see the QuickBooks invoice number, the date the invoice was sent, the due date on that invoice, and again the time period. You'll also see that it's open and it was sent to you, the customer. This way you can search your emails if you need to. From here, you're able to pay that invoice. You can pay the balance of $19,254.20 for this invoice. You can type in a manual amount. You can select your payment method or add a one-time payment method as well. You can also view a PDF of that invoice. We'll just give a generic PDF doc with the total amount due, so you can keep it for your records. Also you can export the invoice data to Excel if you'd like to, and then go ahead and consolidate the data, look it up, do any research or comparisons that you need to on a easy to read Excel sheet. And then on here you'll see each order, and you'll see the fee types for that order, the fee names, the quantity of fees, and the total. So for this order, we have our pick fees. There were 3 of them for a total of $2.70. We also had an order processing fee of a total of $3. For this order here, you had 40 pick fees, 1 order processing fee, an edit order fee, and pallet and shrink wrap as well, and so on and so forth. Now from here, you're actually able to go in, click the order, and it'll take you right to the billing tab of that order, and you can view all the billing material, the quantities, the totals of everything, what your pick fees were for. So it's 14 pick fees on this SKU, 7 on that item. You'll see the invoice that's associated with that order's activity if an invoice was generated. You can also go through the different tabs on the order screen, which I'll show you really quick. If you click on activity, it will show you all the processor's activities for this order. From when we printed it to when it went to processing, happened right away. Processing to packed, 25 seconds. Packed to stored, well, they put it in the location 2 days later. And then 7 days after that, it was picked up. And you can see who did what in the warehouse. So you can actually see what happened and which employees were part of that. We like to keep all our data open to our customers so they can actually see what it takes to do some of the work that we do here. You can also view your documents really quickly, any notes that were on the order, whether it's warehouse or customer entered, and you can view all your packages and shipment. This is a pallet. On that pallet, there's 10 boxes. In this box is that item. In that box is that item, the quantity, and any other data that may be associated with that. Now going back to here, you just click on the tab prior, and you can go back to that same invoice you were already looking at and continue going through as needed. And again, this can be exported to Excel. You can do any formulas from there to, again, consolidate your data, to compare your data if you have your own sheets, or to keep a record on file for yourself as well. If you have any other questions, as always, feel free to email or call us. Thank you.